He's fucked. Just farting around. 225, 226. Oh, 227. Let's see if we can hit 230. Fucking piece of shit. Only lasted 240,000 fucking miles. So the truck's in park. Drive shaft's not turning. Oh yeah. 14 bolt, dead. Alright, so here's the factory cooler. And here's the new one. So you can see it's just about as wide, just about as thick, but almost twice as tall.
That's what she said.
How you doing? And just like that, through the magic of YouTube, it's out. And now, we're gonna put that one in. Are you ready, Kyle? Sponsored by Gatorade G2. Evan! Evan! Buddy, where are you? Thanks for the help. You're the real MVP. So a little update. Old transmission, old torque converter, new old transmission, original transfer case. So I just got them two swapped, and we're gonna run a standalone cooler, which is this guy here. So the factory one is down there, like I showed you. That one's bigger. Gonna run 3/8 hose, all push lock. It's gonna go somewhere in here. Show you some more parts that I've got. Shout out to Talbot Industries for use of the workspace and the tools. New torque converter, quad star tuning, has the hookup. So hit up John for any and all of your 6.5 needs. Got the bug zapper doing work. See if we wait long enough, we'll probably see one. Anyway, bunch of ATF in there, energy suspension mounts, again from Quadstar. And let me just grab the light and I'll show you what we got going on under the truck. It's 10 o'clock. Been working all afternoon. Truck put up a good fight. So that there's a current state of affairs. And you can see there, and you probably can't see over there, but we got one broken bolt in each of the exhaust manifolds, so I got to extract them, and got to get the transcooler lines out while we're in there, because not going to need them anymore. And it's going to keep plugging away, but she's going little by little. Well, it's about 5 minutes later, and thanks to the magic of video editing, got the transcooler basically mounted. So we used existing hole and hardware here, existing holes and hardware there, and we just chopped the mount down and just ticky-tacked it onto the cooler. I fired myself from bolt extraction duty. We called in the big guns.
Talbot Industries.
How you doing? So, Kyle, explain to the good people of YouTube what we're doing here.
So, we were 66% effective at removing the crossover pipes where they bolt up to the manifold. And we tried welding on nuts, which usually works, but it looks like that the original hardware was some sort of grade of stainless and they just wouldn't bite, and or they would bite and then the bolt would break off further down. So I'm currently in the process of drilling out the bolt holes. We're going to try to salvage the threads that are there. If that doesn't work, go up one size to keep the threads, If that doesn't work, just make it a through hole, and we'll through bolt the crossover pipe. Back to you, Hugh.
Thanks, Kyle. So that's that, and we'll see you on the next clip.
Well, so far, we have a 50% success rate, which is 100% better than what we started with. But this is factory bolt that will thread in to the hole that just previously had a broken bolt in it. So now let's see if we can be, oh, it's dark. See if we can be successful on that side. I call that a win. Oh, my change. Fuck.
It's the end of day 1.5. It's 2 a.m.
It's already tomorrow.
It is already tomorrow.
You look fucking rough.
Yeah, but in the video, it's been like 7 minutes. Let me tell you, it takes longer than 7 minutes to do this shit. Well, and just like that, new transmission's in. There she is. Got the new pan, so 97 model year transmission, so it's got the deep pan. Got the new 2.5-inch crossover installed. Got the energy suspension mount installed. And it wasn't that bad. It was just completely terrible, and I never want to do it ever again. And it took 15 fucking hours. Probably more like 20, but who's counting? Evan, would you like to ever do this again?
No.
There you have it, folks. Never again.